So if you were having some regular nachos or corn chips, you could add that in here. I actually have some 0-carb corn tortillas that I could put in the air fryer. But for time's sake, for right now, I'm just gonna put a couple of these. It's not gonna add that many carbs, but here we go. Summertime nacho salad. Okay, take your cottage cheese, put it in the food processor, and since I don't like all those bumpies, all I gotta do is scrape it up. All right, now we're gonna add some avocado to the creaminess. Oh my goodness, I just tasted it and it is so yummy.